We have the expensive pair. Driftwood, this is 10,000. This is Driftwood rin sa 10,000. Mas mahal po kasi mas rare po siya compared to other colors. And this also the beach. This is 11,000. This is rare po. And we also have the other colors, the stone pink. How about the stone pink? We have the burgundy, the outer space, stone pink, the purple, the sea salt. And we also have the New Balance 530 down there. That's 9,008. This is 8,500. This is 8,000, 9,000. Then the Bocher. We have also the Bocher 5. This is the Orwood brown, and this is the cobblestone. This is also 9,000.
10,000. Okay. The black one?
Yes, this is the Jordan 4 bread reimagined. That is 18,000.
18,000.
The rest
The rest is average price.
depends on the colorway, sir. If it's
Ah.
rare, it's 35,000.
35,000.
Yes. We have here the Jordan 3. Here, there, this one. Price range is from 20,000 to 30,000.
13. So these are all imported.
Yes, Jordan. The New Balance. Again, the 550 and then 2004. This is
So how many brands do you carry here?
this is the first branch here in
I mean the
Cebu.
brands.
Sorry. We have
So you have Nike.
we have multiple brands, sir. We have New Balance, Nike, we have Adidas. Yes, we have also the Veja, sir.